Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Carissa. I am a beauty blogger, but I'm mostly on Instagram, so make sure you click the link down below to follow me on Instagram if you're not already. Today, I'm going to be doing something really exciting. There is a company called INFLUENSTER, and basically what it is a company that sends out free products to people for them to review, so the companies that are giving out the products can get feedback on how the products are and this, that, and the other. So everything I'm about to show you guys in this video was sent to me free for review, but they want your honest review, and that's exactly what I gave because I don't feel comfortable giving like fake reviews so I can just keep getting products. Like, I would rather not get products anymore and be able to keep giving honest reviews. So everything in this video is going to be completely honestly reviewed. This is what the first box looks like. The products were like in here a lot nicer when I first got it, but obviously now I've tried them and used them and stuff like that, so they're kind of everywhere. So I'm going to talk to you guys about these products, and I'm going to start with the first product that I tried. So the first product that I tried, I specifically put on makeup so I could try these. And this is the Whispers Unnaturally Natural Fragrance-Free Makeup Removal Wipes. They're 100% cotton, retail for $5.99. It says ultra soft, pH balance, no harsh chemicals, sulfates, parabens, petroleum dyes, phtalates, and are as gentle as water. So they're just makeup remover wipes, supposed to be really natural. I did not like these. They were maybe meant for people who don't wear a lot of makeup, or I don't know what, but I literally had to scrub my face to get my makeup to come off. And I don't wear like heavy makeup, but I wear like a normal amount of makeup for like someone who does beauty, and it was really hard to get this off to the point where I didn't even finish my face with these. I did about one half of my face with these, and then I used my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes because it just comes off way easier. They're just not soaked enough. Maybe this one I got is like bad, but they were just like not soaked in anything enough. They were too dry, so it was like really hard to get anything off your face. I didn't like them. They just did not work well, and I think with so many makeup removing wipes and makeup removing balms and just so many products on the market that are meant to take your makeup off, that this is just not something I would ever purchase because it just doesn't seem worth it. And I wrote that when I reviewed it for INFLUENSTER, that they were not that great. So I think I gave it like 2 or 3 stars on INFLUENSTER, just because, like I said, it might be good for people who don't really wear a lot of makeup and just like wear like concealer or something and they just want to wipe it off. This might work for them, but for someone who wears like a decent amount of makeup, I don't like these, and I would not recommend them to anybody who wears a lot of makeup. So the next product I tried is the Live Clean Coconut Milk Moisturizing Body Lotion. Rich moisture for dry skin. So I really like the packaging of this. I like that it has a pump. I love when moisturizers have pumps and not like a squirt bottle. So initially I had to smell it. It smells amazing. It smells like kind of like conditioner, but also like a coconut conditioner pretty much is what it smells like. It smells really, really awesome. I'm gonna read a little bit about this real quick. It says, Live Clean Coconut Milk Lotion hydrates and restores moisture, balance, and luster to dry skin. And it retails for $5.99. I did like this. It was pretty good. I think I gave it 4 stars on INFLUENSTER. Really the only thing bad I had to say about it is it dries a little sticky, which I didn't like, but other than that, it did moisturize. It smells really good, which is like a big thing for me, is smell. I just really didn't like that it like is sticky when it dries a little bit. Not like obviously super sticky, but it's a little tacky kind of. But I mean, it's like a earth friendly lotion. It says 98% plant derived, petroleum free, sulfate free, paraben free. I actually keep it next to my bed on my nightstand to just like moisturize before bed or whatever it be. It's not like a heavy moisturizer, I do want to say that. It's kind of like a light to medium moisturizer, but I do like this. It's really not a bad product, and it's only $5.99, and you actually get like a lot in here, so I did like this. The next product that I got is a razor, and I was actually really excited to get this because I love trying stuff like this. It came with one of the holders. This is, well, I should say what it is first. This is the Pure Silk Contour 6 razor system. It retails for $9.99. It says the new Pure Silk Contour 6 razor with 6 ultra thin blades and a double flex head contours to every curve of your body to give you a close, comfortable shave. Comes with one of the things that sticks to the shower wall, which I really like. I like when razors come with that. And this is what the razor head looks like. It also came with another head, which is nice. Currently, I use the Chic Intuition razor, which has been my favorite razor for years. I have never used another razor probably in the last 5 years because it's just amazing. It's the razor that has like the thick bar of soap on the head, which I really like because you don't have to use shave cream. So to start off, I didn't have any shave cream because I don't keep shave cream in the house since I don't need it. So I kind of had to dry shave because my conditioner is really expensive and I didn't want to use it as shaving cream. So I just used like body wash, which only does so much. So it was kind of like a dryish shave, like obviously not super dry because I did use body wash, but it, you know, it wasn't like the best shaving cream you could have used. And for my legs, I didn't really like it. I feel like it just took too much time. It did work around the knees, so I do want to point that out because this is kind of, I think, the major sell of this is that it's supposed to like contour to your body. It did work really nicely around the knees. It did like hit every curve and didn't leave any patches or anything, but I have really long legs and so I don't really want a razor that takes too much time, especially on the legs. So this definitely wouldn't be something that I use on the legs. However, I did like how well it shaved my underarms and my bikini area. I think it did the best when it came to that. It got a really close shave. Obviously it's because it's a new razor head, so when your razor head is new, it's going to be the sharpest and it's going to cut the best. But I think it did a really good job, maybe even a little bit better than my Chic Intuition when it comes to like the bikini area and the underarms. I did like it for that. So when it comes to that, if you're just looking for like a bikini area razor or something like that to just get the small areas, I would say go for this because this is also cheaper than the Chic Intuition. Like I said, this is $9.99. I believe the Chic Intuition is $12.99. I just really like that razor and I always have. Like it's never even been a thought in my mind like I want to try other razors, you know what I mean? I've always loved that razor and never felt a need to change. So I think that kind of made it hard for me to like this because I was already so biased towards the razor I have and I just love that one so much. At the end of the day, I do think the Chic Intuition is better than this one. I would probably give this one 3 out of 5 stars. I think it did a decent job, and if you're looking for like a cheaper razor, this might be good. It's cute. Again, it comes with this, at least mine did, and it came with a backup razor. So this all retails for $9.99. Is the product I was probably most excited to try. This is the Pantene In the Shower Foam Conditioner Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner. So I was really excited to see a Pantene product in here right off the bat. But as I was reading this, one of the things that says right on the bottle is for fine, flat hair, light moisture, zero weight. I do not have fine or flat hair. I have thick, heavy, poofy hair. So right off the bat, I was kind of like, I feel like this product is not going to work for me because it says what type of hair it's geared towards, and that's not the type of hair I have. I did post about this on my Instagram, and I did have someone reach out to me and say that they actually really liked the product, so that kind of gave me more high hopes for it. And I finally tried it the other day, and I didn't really like it. Again, it could just be because I have thick hair and it's just heavy and stuff like that, and that's not what this is for. This is for someone with like thinner hair. So that could be why. So basically it's a foam and it says to put a palm size amount in your hand. So right off the bat when I was reading the instructions and it said put a palm size amount in your hand, I was like, there's no way a palm size amount is going to be enough because I also have long hair. So I knew that a palm size amount would not be enough for me. I actually had to use 3 palm size amounts to get my whole hair area, and I let it sit because it says to let it like absorb a little bit and then to rinse it out, and I did exactly that, and my hair felt pretty much the same. It didn't feel any softer or less tangled, and like I said, I have thick wavy hair. It gets tangled really easily, and so I like my conditioners to, like, when I rinse them out, I can feel how soft my hair is now, and this did not do that. I don't really want to knock this product just because, like I said, it's not really geared towards people like me. And I actually told my friend Jody, which if you've seen my last video, you know Jody a little too well, but she has thinner hair, and I actually told her I would give this to her for her to try because it might work better for her hair. I mean, it's Pantene, it's a well-known brand, so there is actually one more thing that came in the box, which I don't even think I talked about the box. That's what it's called when they send you these products. It's called a box. I don't know why it's called that, but it is. So one more thing did come in it, and this product I actually didn't go and get, so I can't really review it just because I felt it would be a little weird to talk about this on my channel because it's not what my blog or really anything I'm doing is about. So basically, when you get your box, it comes with this coupon for the Country Crock with sunflower oil, which retails for $3, and it says Country Crock with sunflower oil is our creamiest buttery spread yet, using real simple ingredients such as a blend of plant-based oils including high quality sunflower seed oil and a pinch of salt. Our new spread is slow churned to buttery perfection. So basically, it came with a manufacturer's coupon for free butter, and it's a Country Crock butter with sunflower oil. So I haven't picked this up yet, and I probably will. I'll go try it. But I didn't necessarily really want to give it too much attention because it's not really what my channel is about. I wanted to focus on like more beauty related things. So that's kind of what I actually tried out and reviewed. It's probably just regular butter with sunflower seed oil. So I don't really think you can go wrong there, and Country Crock again is like a well-known brand that you can kind of trust when it comes to that stuff. That is it for today's video. I just wanted to get this up for you guys. I know I've been kind of MIA on my Instagram for a while, but I will be back, and I am going to be filming a video probably either tomorrow or Friday. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And again, my Instagram will be linked down below. Go check it out. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.